channel. So for today's video, we're going to discuss what is networking cable, what are the different types of network cable, what are the tools and equipments needed in making a networking cable, and lastly, we're going to create a networking cable. So if you're ready, let's go! First of all, what is networking cable? Networking cable ay networking hardware used to connect one device to the other devices, or used to connect two or more computers to a shared printer, scanner, etc. Now let's proceed to the two different networking cable, the straight-through cable and the crossover cable. The straight-through cable are mainly used for connecting two non-similar devices, while a crossover cable are mainly used or mostly used for connecting two similar devices. This time, we're going to discuss the different tools and equipments for creating a networking cable, and we're going also to discuss what is the use of these materials. And with that, let's watch this.
UTP cable or unshielded twisted pair. Ito ang ating gagamitin at babaguhin para magamit natin ito at maging isang ganap na Ethernet cable. Stripping wire tool. Ito ang magbabalat ng ating UTP cable upang makita ang nasa loob nito. RJ45 or Registered Jack 45. Ito ay may 8 pin na kung saan dito natin ipapasok ang mga linya ng UTP cable. Crimping tool. Ito ay ating gagamitin para maisara o mailak natin ang RJ45 na ating inilagay. Cable tester. Ito ang ating huling gagamitin para malaman natin kung gumagana ang ating nagawang cable.
After knowing the tools and equipment that we need to use in making a networking cable, we are now ready to proceed to creating it. And with that, are you ready? Let's go!